Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to get started with a Stylophone beat. And this will be an easy tutorial for beginners. So without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have my Stylophone beat, and I'm going to show you the basics of getting started with something like this. Very, very easy. Okay, so what we're going to do, and I'll just show you, the first thing is to remove the stylus, because you need it to use the actual product properly. So in order to use this unit properly. So we're gonna remove the stylus. I'm just gonna pop it out like that, and we've removed the stylus. Very, very easy. We're gonna turn the unit on. Make sure you have power. Make sure you have, batteries installed in it that work properly. Make sure your volume is turned up to where you want it to be. I got mine cranked up nice and high over here. And essentially, you're gonna start off by just, playing an instrument. So right now we have it set to drums mode. You can move this right here to choose what you want it to be set to. And the basics is just drums and bass. There's other things that you can do, but the basics is drums and bass. So we have it all the way here. We're gonna go all the way to the top, and we bring it to the top like that. We're on drums. When I tap this, we hear drum sounds. So by using the stylus to touch the pad, each different pad is gonna give you different sounds. You can take the drums portion and you can move it to different drum kits. Different sounds. Okay, and now we can take this and we can bring it down to bass. So we're gonna go down, okay, and by moving it down there, we now we moved it to bass. We turned it to bass. So now we're gonna be making bass sounds. And the same thing is with this little selector over here. You could choose different bass sounds by moving that. That's the basics of it, okay? There are other things that you can do, and it gets quite a bit more in depth, significantly more in depth, but that's the basics of it. Now, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna bring it back to drums, okay? And I'm gonna go to basically what is one of my favorite drum kits, which is all the way at the bottom, okay? These are the sounds that I'm working with over here. And essentially, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna hit play and then click, and that's gonna turn on the metronome. Play, click. We now have a metronome, okay? I'm gonna adjust the tempo. Bring it about there. And then what we're gonna do when we're ready to make a loop, we're gonna hit record. And we're gonna be able to make a loop, so I'm gonna hit record. As you can see the color right there. Okay, so we know we're recording. Okay, you see the flashing color there, we know we're recording, very simple. It was a different color before, which I'll show you right now. If I was to hit play, okay? You can see it's flashing. I don't know what color it looks like on the screen, but what I see over here is a green color. I see a green flash. It looks different on the screen, to be honest with you, but I see a green flash, okay? Now watch when I hit record. So right now, I'm looking at a green flash. It looks different on the screen, but I'm looking at a green flash, and I'm gonna hit record, and as I hit record, it now changed to a red. And I believe that shows correctly on the screen. Okay, I guess it's just the camera settings, I'm not sure. But we know we're recording. So now that I'm recording, I'm gonna hit some sounds and we're gonna make a loop. So let's hit some sounds. And I forgot to include the metronome on that, but it's no big deal. You don't need the metronome. It's helpful, okay? So you can do without a metronome. Let's put in some more sounds just to make it simple. It's doing a loop. What I will do now, I'm gonna stop this, okay? We'll turn it back on. I'm going to, as I turn the unit off and back on, I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm gonna add in the metronome. So right now, from the sort of basic, off and on, we're like at the, I guess you can imagine it's like a home screen. Okay, so basically, look, we're gonna turn it off and then back on. And we've now sort of started, I guess, from the home screen, if you can imagine that, okay? Sort of started fresh. And then now we're gonna do something. I'm gonna play, and I'm gonna hit click. We have the metronome, and now I'm gonna hit record, okay? Now watch. As you can see, we are recording based on the color of that, okay? So we're gonna bring in some sounds. Give me a second here, there we go. Oh yeah, this is a good one. So we just made a loop. I think we actually made more than a loop. We made like a club in my car over here. Anyways, I cannot hear beats like that and not dance and sing, okay? I have to, I'm sorry. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed that. But that's the basics of getting started with something like this. Trust me, there are a lot more features and functionalities with regards to what you can do with this thing. But that was just absolutely the basics of getting started with something like this. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you can get started with your own unit as well. And if you're, if you're on the fence, like, I don't know if I should get this or not, just look at how much fun I had with it. I love this thing. I wish I could use it more. I use it from time to time. I wish I could use it even more. It's so fun. But yeah, anyways, like I said, I got this, just to be completely clear. I got this. This is not sponsored. I'm not associated with them. I'm not affiliated with them. I actually saw this online many times and I was like, I should get one. I went and I picked it up. The price was very, very affordable, and I had a blast with it, and I love it. So I've been making quite a bit of content with it. But yeah, just so you know, like, this is just me with my product, period. This is just me with the thing that I bought. Like I said, no affiliation, nothing at all. I don't have any affiliation with them. I just have a blast with it. Side note, if you are this company and you're watching this and you like my content that I'm posting on your product, reach out. Don't be afraid to reach out. Reach out. You never know. We might be able to get something going. Maybe if you want me in your videos, woo, dancing like that, we can make it happen. Don't worry. Reach out. We'll figure something out. Anyways, that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Other than that, I've got nothing else. Other than me hoping that you've enjoyed the video, I've got nothing else. So truly, with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.